Hey, you're watching the Data Playlist, a YouTube channel for data visualization developers and data analysts who want to create bespoke insights and visuals. I'm your host, Alok, a data visualization developer who's very fascinated in infographics and creative illustrations. But when I saw some interactive D3 charts on the web for the first time, I told myself I need to be making things like this. But with no specific know how around this domain, I had to spend a lot of time finding my own path with books, articles, lot of videos, and many times just inspecting things on dev tools. It's mostly a non-linear learning path as I had to jump between topics in design, math, statistics, and mostly web stuff such as how the SVG spec works or doesn't work in certain cases. And the resources that helped me were from pockets across the web in various formats. However, the things I picked helped me build new projects very rapidly later. But when I began working with new developers who are just starting out, I realized that the process is still a puzzle for many. And I remember wishing there were more videos explaining and showing these projects and concepts from start to finish back when I started. So in this channel, you can expect to see video playlists outlining end-to-end projects in data analysis and visualizations using code, BI tools, research methods, or any other magic that goes into making these. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next one.